Alright, just going to show you guys how to set up your portable catch box. So when you receive it, it'll be in the package like this. So let's dig in and see what we got. So the idea with this catch box is that it collapses so it's easy to store away when you're not using it. Your first time setting it up, you may have to do a couple of things. We're going to walk through and show you what you got to do. Alright, so to get started, you're going to locate the top of the catch box. The top of the catch box has these tabs sewn into the top. That's for hanging it from a tree or suspending it if you care to, but that is the top part. So when we open it up, we'll find a couple of things on the inside. One, we'll have a piece of fabric with a piece of Velcro on top. You'll find 4 zip ties, you'll need those, and a piece of string with a little orange bit on it. We'll get to that later. Alright, so you'll notice that the top section and the bottom section, the wire is sewn in place. And you've got 2 free pieces of wire within these 2 pieces here. Now these are square, this does make a cube. These are your side pieces. So we can see that the bottom part has a piece sewn in. We can identify the bottom by the ribbons. Top part we can identify by these tags. Pieces are sewn in. So we're going to install these to the sides. Alright, so we can see here we've got one installed on the side here. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab the top piece and the top of this side piece here, and we're going to install the zip ties. We're going to attach those 2 together at the top. Alright, so we've got 2 zip ties attaching the top and the side piece. We can see that the bottom portion is still swinging freely. That's what allows it to fold back up into place. Now we're going to do the exact same thing for the opposite side. Alright, now we've got the zip ties installed, attaching the side pieces to the top pieces, 2 spots on either side. We're simply going to fold these to the side to give it structure. And you'll notice on the inside here there's ribbons. We'll simply tie these 2 pieces together with the ribbons. Likewise, if you'd like to make this a permanent catch box, you can just use 2 more zip ties on each side and make it permanent. So one tip here is when you're inserting the side piece, make sure it's inserted on the outside of the bottom support to help give it more structural rigidity. Next, you've got your target backstop. This is important, make sure you put it back in. There's a piece of Velcro running across the top, a piece of Velcro here. Simply get that inserted. And this is what stops the ammo and causes it to fall into the catch box. And finally, you've got this little bit here and you might be wondering what it is. Well, this is actually a target. So aim small, miss small. You've got 2 pieces attached here on the top of the inside that you can hang targets. Now this is quite a small target. You could hang a soda can or you could hang your spinner targets. Likewise, you could attach targets from the metal pieces going across the front. You might get a few bounce outs that way, so it is best to move the target actually into the inside of the box. Alright, so a couple more tips. 1, make sure that the side pieces are on the outside of the fixed top and bottom metal pieces. That'll give you much better rigidity. You might also wish to use an extra 4 zip ties on the bottom pieces versus the ribbons. Of course, this is going to remove the portability aspect, but it's going to give you a much more rigid target structure. Of course, you can sit this on any surface like a table or a bench, or you can suspend it from the tabs on the top. Don't forget to install the piece that it has a Velcro to catch your ammo. And don't forget that you got some tabs in the top here to hang your targets. Another idea is make sure that the target stays within the box rather than on the face of the box so that you can be assured that all your shots fall into the catch box. So thanks for taking a look. Glad you've got a catch box. Get out there and shoot those slingshots. Take care.